guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make my homemade pizza from scratch. Let me take you to the ingredients for the dough and then we're gonna get it started. We're gonna need some all-purpose flour, active dry yeast, some sugar, salt and olive oil, and also some water. And it is really easy to do. It is time consuming, but it's not difficult at all. This is my water. Temperature is 110 degrees. It is Fahrenheit. What I'm gonna do, add my yeast and my sugar, and then stir it and just leave it on a side. And my yeast is ready to go. I left it like that for 10 minutes and I want to show you, come close. You see the foamy texture? This is what I was asking you to leave it up to 10 minutes and until you get this foamy texture. If it's not like that, you have to do it again. Just throw it and redo it again. So I'm using a stand mixer just to make life easy, because if you're gonna make this by hand, yes you can, but it's gonna take you 20 to 25 minutes just to knead the dough on your counter. So I want to skip that part. To my stand mixer bowl goes my flour, my salt, and my yeast, and my oil. I'm gonna start kneading the dough on the setting low, and then I'm gonna move to medium, and I'm gonna let this knead. I'm gonna let the machine knead the dough for 10 minutes, and then I will show you the texture. And that's it. It's been 10 minutes and my pizza dough is ready. I'm gonna get this out on my counter. Add some dry flour and just knead it by hand for like half a minute. Alright, the dough looks good. And now I'm gonna divide this into two. I'm not measuring this. You can weigh this if you want, but I'm just gonna cut this, just eyeballing it. Should be the same. Alright, put a little bit more flour. So this recipe will make two 14-inch pizza, and one will be cheese and one will be veggie. You can substitute whatever you're liking for the topping. Alright, just fold it, put everything, all the knot to the bottom, and do the same for this one. If you feel sticky, just add a little bit dry flour, and then you have two nice pizza dough. And let me grab my bowl, and to my bowl I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of oil, and then I'm gonna put my dough upside down all the way. I want the oil to go everywhere, and then I'm gonna cover this with plastic wrap, and I have to let this rise for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then once the dough rise, we will start making the pizza. Alright, my pizza dough is ready, and they have been risen. Look at that, look at that. Let's open this one too. Like I said, one gonna be cheese and one gonna be veggie. And for the topping, you are going to need some tomato sauce. This is I'm using pasta sauce, store-bought. Some mozzarella grated. I grate this myself. It's better than you buy the grated one ready-made. And then for the veggies, I use whatever I have in the fridge, which is some mushroom, some broccoli steam, some yellow peppers and red peppers. And it's time to make the pizza, the actual pizza. Let me bring the pizza tray over here and then we're gonna get started. Add some dry flour on your working counter, and then put your pizza dough. Add as much as flour you see you need, like you don't want this to stick. Okay, I'm gonna add some more flour. And then try to press this down with your fingertips. It is 14 inches. So I'm gonna try to stretch the pizza dough until I get 14-inch round size. All right, this seems to be 14-inch. And now I'm gonna lift the pizza and then set it up nicely, and make sure to press the edges, the corner around the pan, just like so. Alright, I already did the other one as well. Okay, so now it's time to assemble the pizza. First, you're gonna spread the pasta sauce or pizza sauce in both pizza. Just make sure they are very nicely spread. Add your grated cheese. I already add the first one. Now the cheese is vary. You can add as much as you want. Add your veggies. Now this is a veggies that I had on hand today, but you can use whatever veggie you desire, you prefer. You can use green peppers, tomatoes, you can use jalapeno, hot peppers, black olive, whatever you like you can use on your pizza as a topping. And last is my peppers. I actually like some green, some red, some yellow. It just looks beautiful. Okay, and now my two pizza is ready to go in the oven, and each pizza will take about 15 minutes on 450 Fahrenheit. I will show you how the pizza looks like after it's done. My pizza was in my preheated oven of 450 Fahrenheit, and my pizza is ready. It's been 15 minutes since it was in the oven. And the tips is you have to put the pizza in the bottom rack in order for you to get a good pizza, a good crust, a good everything. The cheese gonna melt, the pizza gonna cook quickly, and this is how they are gorgeous looking, my cheese and my veggie. Now you can again you can substitute any topping you desire. Hope you're gonna try this. Let me know in the comments below how did you like it, and I will see you next time. But before that, please subscribe, click the bell icon so you're gonna get the notification anytime I post a new video. Bye for now.